Alright, we're going to show you a demonstration on how to remove your extractor, since a lot of people have to do this. The simple things you want to do is, first of all, put your barrel inside a vise or some way to secure your barrel and make it a lot easier during this process. You'll need a 3 30-second punch and a hammer. So not too many items needed here. You'll take your 3 30-second punch. You're going to find the hole on the extractor is right underneath the weld, and that is the roll pin that holds in that extractor. Take your punch, you're going to start slowly tapping that through. You're going to want to be careful because that pin can come out, and we'll just try to make sure that we don't hit enough. You can take your time, push up on that extractor just to see if we have it loose enough. Now most people are going to want to be careful because you will have what they call a flat spring behind the extractor. This one does in this case, and that is the flat spring right there and the extractor. Now putting the extractor back in is the exact same process as taking it out. The flat spring will sit right inside that notch on the back of the extractor. You're going to want to make sure that goes in, push it all the way down inside, make sure it's all the way in there before putting the roll pin back in. You want to take that pin, we'll tap it back in. I like to take the punch to put it all the way back in, and then that way I can also get it back below the surface of the lug. And that's all it takes to replace and remove that extractor. Thank you very much.